I'm here today to talk about the Pro LED Quick Connect Type A linear lamp. The Quick Connect family is a Type A lamp, also known as a plug-and-play lamp or a direct replacement lamp. The Quick Connect Linear T8 is available in 2-foot, 3-foot, and 4-foot lengths in order to complete multiple jobs. The color temperatures available are 3500, 4000, and 5000 K. The 2-foot lamp provides just over 1200 lumens, the 3-foot provides 1400 lumens, and the 4-foot provides approximately 1900 lumens. The Quick Connect Type A lamp will operate on most instant start and program start ballast, along with emergency ballast, making this an easy retrofit solution. The Quick Connect lamp meets requirements of NSF or ANSI Standard 2 for food equipment. It is UL listed for damp location and suitable for use in enclosed luminaires. The lamp also offers a long life of 50,000 hours for reduced maintenance cost. The simplicity of installation and durability of the Quick Connect lamp makes this a perfect solution for retrofitting luminaires when leaving the existing ballast in place. For more information on the Quick Connect Type A lamps, including the ballast compatibility chart, and more information on our full linear line, including Type B Line Connect and Type AB Duo Connect lamps, visit our website at halcolighting.com or find us on social media.